Welcome to Archidous, the expert architect that brings together creativity and technology. In this new phase, we're not just offering content about architecture and design, we're taking it to the next level. Now, you'll experience innovative content powered by AI technologies, making design and management processes easier and smarter. What can you expect from Archidous in the upcoming period? You'll see architectural design ideas turned into reality with speed and precision. We'll show real examples of how AI can assist in transforming blueprints into fully realized projects. AI will be a crucial part of every step, from data analysis to offering instant design solutions. Whether you're an architect looking for ways to streamline your project with higher quality, or an interior designer needing help with selecting the perfect colors and materials, Archidous is the right place for you. We'll share the latest techniques used by top design companies to complete complex architectural projects in record time and provide real-world examples of how AI can enhance the interior design experience. We'll also dive into project management, showing you more professional and efficient methods using AI. Every project manager is always looking for new ways to track progress more accurately. With AI-powered data analysis, you'll be able to follow every step of your project in real time and make faster decisions. Don't think AI is something distant. It's already here and making a significant impact, especially in architecture and interior design. Here at Archidous, we'll help you explore that step by step, with practical examples and applications you can use in your day-to-day work. Get ready for content rich with details and insights that will change your perspective on architecture and project management. We'll talk about innovative interior design trends that rely on intelligent space analysis and the perfect selection of tools and materials. Follow us to stay ahead of the game and be the first to discover the latest solutions and technologies shaping the future of architecture. At Archidous, we believe technology doesn't just make life easier, it opens up new opportunities for creativity and growth. So if you're into architecture, interior design, or project management, Archidous will give you everything you need to stay ahead of the curve. Get ready for educational, inspiring, and practical content. We'll guide you every step of the way using tomorrow's technology today.